Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Quranic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying these two last lines of page number 9 of Al-Qaida Nuraniya. This is just a reminder for those of you who will be relying on transliteration. Okay. So here, ta, it doesn't have the mud, it's 2 counts prolongation, and sin has got mud, so it's going to be prolonged for 6 counts. That's going to be ta sin. Again, ta sin. That's yeah, it doesn't have mud, so it's 2 counts, and sin, it has mud, so it's 6 counts. Yasin, Yasin. Sad has mud, so it's 6 counts. Sad, Sad. Ha, it doesn't have mud, so 2 counts. Mim has got mud, so 6 counts. Hamim, Hamim. Okay, so ha doesn't have mud, 2 counts. Mim has got mud, 6 counts. Ain has got mud, 6 counts. Sin has got mud, 6 counts. And then Qaf has got mud, 6 count. Hamim, Ain, Sin, Qaf. Hamim, Ain, Sin, Qaf. So because of this, we just had a short break there. Qaf has got mud, so it has 6 counts. Qaf. Again. Qaf. Noon has got mud, so it's going to be 6 counts again. Noon. Noon. So that's the end of this session. In next session, we will practice those 2 lines 10 times to give you enough practice, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.